guys, thanks for tuning into yet another video. It is Digital Mentor here. Today I want to draw your attention to this awesome way of making money online. You can make $1 million just solving a challenge. Now, this is a really easy way to make money, to earn money online. But you got to be really, really smart to be able to do this. That is the only hang up. You have to be ridiculously intelligent. I am not capable of using this method of making money online, but I was really excited to make this video because I know that there are people out there who are totally capable of making this money and being able to earn up to $1 million solving a question, solving a problem, solving a challenge. So definitely stay for this whole video. I think you're going to find it really interesting. It's a really fun video for me to make because the potential to make this kind of money online is just mind-blowing. So definitely stay for the whole thing. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, you think it's a really cool way of making money online, you just thought it was cool that I made a video where you could actually win $1 million to solve a challenge, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. I really appreciate all of you and all of my subscribers, everybody that leaves comments and reaches out on all of my social media. I love you guys. Thank you so much. If you are looking for my #1 way of making money online, my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description below. You do not have to be a genius like this method to be able to make money online and be an online entrepreneur and be able to quit your job like I did and stay home with your family, or just have the flexibility and live the lifestyle that you really deserve and should have. So definitely check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be your first link in the description below. So guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's not too much to show, but I'm going to try and hit all the aspects that I found really interesting about this site and making money online this way. So hopping right over, we are going to go to a site called Innocentive. I think I said it right. See, you know what? I'm not meant to do this, do this method of making money online. So what Innocentive is, it is a crowdsourcing website. So a lot of big businesses and other big companies are going to have problems and they don't know how to find the answers. So what they're going to do is they're going to post their problem here on this website and give out boatloads of money if you can actually solve the problem. If you can compete and win a challenge, you can win, you know, 10, 20, 30, $500,000, as high as $1 million on this site just by solving a challenge. And, you know, I did some research on this site because I was like, there's no way this is even possible. So I went on wikipedia.com and did some research on the site. And it was launched in 2001. So this is an older site. It's been around for a long time. They're typically offering awards. The average amount of award for a challenge is $20,000, and some of the awards are over $100,000, which is just absolutely crazy to me that you can answer a question and come up with a solution and get paid literally more than what one person can make in an entire year's time. That's just crazy just for answering one question. Now, they, up to date, run about 2,000 external challenges and about 1,000 internal challenges, and they are awarding over $20 million in the process of doing this. They are awarding crazy amounts of cash. That's like the mega millions here where I live. So it's a crowdsourcing company and they're just looking for answers to their problems. So I did some research and I was like, all right, you know, how much money have they actually awarded in one lump sum? And I found out that they have awarded $1 million to a Dr. Stuart Rutcove, I think I said it right, for the creation and validation of a clinical biomarker to measure the progression of ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. So they have actually given out one lump sum award of $1 million, which is completely insane that they are awarding people this kind of money. So it is possible. You can make money on this method of making money online, but you have to be extremely intelligent. Now, if you think that you're one of the select few that can actually start solving some of these challenges, you go to Innocentive.com. And let me just show you really quickly how it works. So you're not going to go here, you're not going to launch a challenge unless you have a problem that you need fixed and you have, tens of thousands of dollars to give away. You are going to go right here and solve a challenge. You're going to click learn more. But just really quickly, I want to show you exactly how this works. So your challenge, a challenge is going to get launched. Wait, this is a secret. My bad. Let's go down a little bit further. So challenge is going to get launched. You are going to get yourself your solution. You're going to sign up for your free account, and then you're going to submit your solutions. And as soon as you submit your solutions and they actually meet all of the needs and the criteria of it, you can get awarded this money, which is bonkers. All you have to do is read over the question, submit your solution, make sure that it fits all of the criteria asked of the challenge and the question, and then submit your answer. And you can apply for as many of these challenges as you want. So it's really cool. I highly recommend that you come here to Innocentive and you watch this whole video and hit the explore button, so that way you can learn a little bit more about this this business model and what the website's actually about. So let me give you a quick overview of some of these challenges. So some of these, it's $5,000 and it's open here for utilization of waste rock and filter cake. I have no idea what that is. I told you before I would not do very good on this site because I just, bottom line, it is over my head. I don't get it. I don't know what they're asking for. Like this one. Polio eradication, addressing anti-vaccination propaganda on social media in Pakistan. Now, I live over here in the U.S., and I know that we have a bunch of anti-vax propaganda on social media, so I wouldn't even know how to begin to address this over in Pakistan, let alone where I live right now. But if you do know that, you can win and be awarded 30,000 US dollars. And as you can see, this has this green little button here. It means that they're open. And apparently 300 people actually think that they have the answer to this problem. So it's not an unanswerable challenge. I mean, there are people that really think that they can fix this. More power to them. If you are one of them, go get yourself signed up and check it out. Let's take a look at a couple more of these. Methods of handling and transportation of high moisture coals. I have no idea what high moisture coals are, but if you did and you submitted it, about 222 people did think they knew, and it's under evaluation, one of these people are going to end up being awarded $15,000, which is crazy, crazy to me. It just absolutely blows my mind. Here, right here, novel approaches to combat antibiotic resistance in gram-negative bacteria. I have no idea what that means at all, but if I did, I would try and submit an answer to solve this challenge so that I would be in the running to be awarded 40,000 US dollars. But I just don't. I'm just not that smart. It's just not my thing. I know nothing about it, so I will never, ever, ever try this site. Now, I did some research, and as it said, someone has already been awarded $1 million. And I was thinking to myself, there's no way that they're awarding any more $1 million awards. Well, once again, I'm wrong. As you can see, I threw over in the search term biomarkers because I did a little bit of research before I made this video. And as you can see, they are actually offering 1 million US dollars, and this challenge is open for anybody that knows the SUDEP Institute Challenge, developing a predictive biomarker of SUDEP. If you don't know what SUDEP is, it's sudden unexpected death in epilepsy patients. That's all I know about it. So I'm not going to be one of this $1 million winner. But if you know anything about creating predictive biomarkers and you know anything about epilepsy, get your butt over here, throw in your answer, see if you can actually win. Because obviously you're going to be helping a lot of people out as well as your own bank account. So I found this website really, really, really interesting. They have other things I can't even pronounce. But you have, like I said, you have to be almost like genius level to be able to work on this site. Now, they have different types of different ways that you can check the filter these jobs out. I have it on select all, open, and under evaluation. You can click on just the open ones, get rid of under evaluation, and filter them out, so that way anything under evaluation that you can actually apply for will be taken out of what you're going to see. Now, discipline, I am not 100% sure what that means either. I'm assuming that if I click chemistry, it's going to filter out anything that is anything other than chemistry. As you can see, now we're only under chemistry here. So you can pick and choose what you're, what you're most intelligent about. If you're really good at business and entrepreneurship, which I'm still working on that, you just filter that out. Or you can hit select all and you can get everything that they have posted for challenges. You just get rid of your search term and then you refilter everything out and you're back to square one. Now you can do this in a descending and ascending order. So whatever, filters you want to do, you can play around with it and things like that. So it's really cool. I found this site to be really awesome. You have the potential of making a crazy, awesome amount of money, up to $1 million. If you are really good at biomarkers and predictive biomarkers to measure certain illnesses or try and figure things out. If you're really good at social media and trying to squash the anti-vax problem, check this site out. This is perfect for you. It is not perfect for me. A lot of these things I can't even pronounce, let alone try and figure out a solution for. But I thought this would be a really fun video for you guys to watch and for me to make. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you liked it, you thought it was a fun video to watch, you really enjoy listening to me talk, give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps my channel out a lot, and I love all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Thank you. If you want notifications every time I upload a video, hit that bell icon for notifications. If you are looking for a more realistic way of making money online and you want to know my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description below. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much.